Now, in the previous videos, I talked to you about using network CLI, and network CLI is going to use SSH. So specifying network CLI for the connection type, which is going to use SSH for the connection. Now, what about a case where I need to use netconf? So let's look at this situation here. So we're going to be talking to a Junos device. Now notice I've specified the Ansible connection is going to be a netconf connection. I specified the network OS as Junos, and then I've specified the Ansible user and the Ansible SSH pass. And this Ansible SSH pass will be used for this netconf connection, and the netconf port is going to be 830 by default for the connection port. Now, once again, let's look at the format of the playbook. If I look at the playbook, notice that there is no provider specified. We're going to just execute this Junos command, and we're going to do the show interface terse, and then here I have a fax. Once again, inside Junos fax, there's no provider. So we'll do Ansible playbook, and we'll do fax, and then we'll just specify this inventory file, and we'll see if the netconf connection is working correctly. Okay, and while that's going on, let me just log in here, and we'll grep for the netconf connection so we can see it is in fact using netconf to accomplish that. And then the Junos fax, those came back correctly. And we could do a -VVV if we wanted to look at that in more detail. Now let's go ahead and look at Junos command. Once again, do -I for Ansible host. This time we will do it in verbose mode so that we can actually see the output. And just to verify, make sure we're still running 254. And there we see the show interfaces terse output. So similarly to network CLI, we're basically inferring our arguments from the variables that we've defined in inventory. This allows us to make our playbook more consistent with other modules, and we're somewhat pretending that we're not doing a connection local, when in fact we still have that essential same behavior of connection local as we previously did.